What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the HealthyCell REM Sleep product from HealthyCell. They come in these gel packs. The flavor is cherry, and there's these microgel packs are basically like treats. I mean, basically every night when I take one of these, I just love the flavor. It's this cherry flavor, and it's kind of like candy. I love it. It's way better than pills. I don't like pills. I've taken literally thousands, probably tens of thousands of pills in my life. I'm not even kidding. Way too many pills, and I don't like pills. So what I like about these is these gel packs, this microgel, it increases nutrient absorption 165%. So it's incredible for improving nutrient absorption for your body. And today I'm going to review this product and share with you my experience and how I came to this product and just kind of the science behind it and break it down. So going back a bit, last year I was having difficulty falling asleep and staying asleep. I wasn't falling asleep well. I was waking up in the middle of the night, sometimes more than one time, 2-3 times. And I'm a young man, right? This should not be happening. And so I tried all my regular sleep protocols, regular sleep supplements. I tried a variety of sedatives and sleep supplements, and absolutely none of them were working. And mind you, going back like 5-6 years, there was a point in my life where I worked at a farm in the hood in Detroit, and I was literally sleeping in a tent in the hood in Detroit. And there's a reason I'm going here, so stick with me. I was sleeping on a farm in the hood in Detroit in a tent, and every single night, all around me, I heard pop, pop, pop gunshots. Like, I kid you not, some nights, like every 15 minutes. It was insane. And as I'm trying to go to sleep in this tent, and I'm hearing gunshots all around me, and I heard there was a drive-by on that street like literally a year before in the summertime. I was like, my brain was just like, I started to go into like stress and anxiety, and I couldn't fall asleep. I was waking up throughout the night. My nervous system was like hijacked. Like my nervous system was literally like high strung. Like I think I was getting like PTSD or something. I don't even know, but it was definitely a lot of anxiety and stress. So at that time, I tried all these different things, and I found a supplement that worked for me. But I had to use that supplement in conjunction with a tart cherry concentrate for melatonin. So I used that supplement and tart cherry concentrate, and finally I could start sleeping in that environment, listening to gunshots every night going to sleep. So as you can imagine, that was a very difficult environment to fall asleep in, but I did find something that worked. Now, fast forward to 2024, the end of 2024, I could not fall asleep in the end of 2024 at all. And I tried this routine that I tried before, and it still didn't work for me. So I was very frustrated and very just like overwhelmed because I started to get bags under my eyes, and I was tired, and I was still going to the gym. So I was stressing myself out anymore. I shouldn't have been going to the gym. It's a long story. So I go home for Christmas, and thankfully my mom is a biofeedback technician. So she has some cool biofeedback technology, and she ran me through a scan, and she realized that my GABA levels are low, like very low, like in the blue. So, long story short, I started getting my GABA levels up with, you guessed it, HealthyCell REM Sleep. So, in this formula, there's 750 milligrams of GABA. GABA is a neurotransmitter that calms your brain down in your nervous system, and it really just creates a sedative experience where you feel very calm and very at peace. And this was desperately, like literally desperately what I was lacking. And I wasn't sleeping because of that, and all the other sleep protocols that I tried did not work. And mind you, even going back before this experience, sleeping in the tent in the hood in Detroit and trying to sleep through gunshots every 15 minutes, even before this, like 3-4 years before this, I had sleep challenges. And at one point in my life, I was literally going to write a book on sleep health. And not to brag or anything, but I am a best-selling author of a health and wellness book on Amazon bestseller, not New York Times or anything like that. But long story short, I've done a lot of research into sleep health, the melatonin production, light signaling in the brain, calming the nervous system, calming the brain, B vitamins for the nervous system, magnesium. The list goes on and on and on. The sedatives, valerian, kava, like I said, B vitamins, minerals, all of these different things, neurotransmitters, all this kind of stuff. But GABA was something that I was desperately missing. So the nice thing about this formula is there's 2,300, I think it said. I'm going to pull up their site here to make sure I got the number correct. There's 2,364, I think it said, milligrams of nutrients in this formula, okay? 2,300, I can't find it, but it was like 2,300. Now, out of that 2,300, 750 milligrams, so basically a third of this formula, is GABA, okay? So if you have a GABA deficiency and you have not found a solution for your sleep health and you're not falling asleep, you're not staying asleep, it might just be GABA, and GABA is a big part of this formula. So that's the first thing. But what I really like about this formula, let me back up even further. What I like about this company, HealthyCell, there's no pesticides or herbicides, there's no banned substances. It's a certified GMP produced product. GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices. It's gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO. They do independent lab testing. This is very important. I work in the supplement industry. I have a supplement myself, and I work with many supplement companies. They do independent lab testing for heavy metals, herbicides, pesticides, banned substances, and all that, and gluten and soy and all that. And it's free of all that. That is a big deal, ladies and gentlemen. So the purity of this product is very clean and pure. The thing you need to know also is there's 4 essentially I'd call it mini formulations within this main formulation. So the first formulation is to fall asleep faster. That's the melatonin, which, by the way, the melatonin is a very small amount. It's only, 1 milligram? Yeah, it's 1 milligram. So if you're like, oh, I don't want to take melatonin because the production, it'll cause my body to not produce melatonin. I looked it up, the research, there's no research that shows that a very low dose, which 1 milligram is a very low dose of melatonin, will affect your body's production of melatonin. It's only a high dose of melatonin for an extended period of time that may alter melatonin production. So I wouldn't worry about it. That 1 gram of melatonin is not going to change anything for you. So melatonin, lemon balm extract, and GABA help you fall asleep faster. So these help your body, your brain, and your nervous system to really just calm down and fall asleep. And melatonin is your sleep hormone, and that's very important. So the next phase, which helps to regulate your body temperature in your sleep cycle, which is the second phase of sleep, includes glycine, magnesium, and calcium. That's the second sort of formula within this master formula. And regulating body temperature is important because it helps your heart rate and it cools your body temperature so that you feel calm. And when you're cooler, your body's sleep and recovery increases. The quality of your recovery increases. So that's the second 3 set of ingredients in this formula. The third stage of sleep, deep lasting sleep. This is when your brain is in the delta wave state, your blood pressure and breathing slow down, your muscles relax. L-Theanine for your brain and vitamin B6 for your nervous system are in here for that. And then REM Sleep, the 4th stage of sleep, which, by the way, I believe is when it's your dream state. And there's another cool thing I'm going to tell you about HealthyCell that I love that I've never experienced with any sleep product at all. You're going to love this, or at least I do. So the 4th stage of sleep, REM Sleep, this is when your circulation, your breathing changes. You dream in this stage. This is like the last stage of sleep before you wake up. 5-HTP, vitamin B6, and GABA are in here for that. So I want to share with you why this is so valuable. So the efficacy of the company at sort of the top of everything I shared with you, the independent lab testing, no heavy metals, no pesticides, no herbicides, things like that. These are all very important because you want a pure product. So you have a pure product to start with. But then the formula to have those 4 phases of sleep that you go through, from falling asleep to, the 2 cycles in the middle, the non-REM cycles, and then the last cycle, REM sleep, which is when you dream, those are all, there's ingredients for each specific phase of your sleep in this formula. So honestly, I don't know why they call it REM sleep, because it's all phases of sleep. It's all phases of sleep. REM sleep, this is better than the label says. I'm just being honest with you. I'm a product developer. I have my own health supplement. Like I said, I've worked with many health and wellness supplement brands. This is more than REM sleep. So keep that in mind. This is like a full sleep support, stack to go through all the phases of sleep. Now, the last thing I want to share with you that I absolutely love about this product, and for some of you, this may not mean anything, but for some of you, this will mean everything. For many years of my life, I smoked cannabis, which I don't recommend. There's a lot of heavy metals in it, and it may make you feel calm and relaxed, and you fall asleep, but it actually decreases the quality of your sleep because you wake up feeling drowsy, which I did for many, many years. Thank God I stopped using cannabis, and I haven't touched it for over 2-3 years now. But this product helped me get my dreams back. And it's funny because when I initially took it, I was like, wow, my dreams, I'm dreaming every night. And I had a dream last night and I remembered it. And we do dream every night, but I didn't always remember my dreams. And I remember taking different products. I took True Brain's formula, which was all right, but it wasn't great. I took Qualia Night sleep product, which worked better. And I did see results with that, but neither one of those helped me see my dreams and remember my dreams. This product was better than both of those, and it helped me not only fall asleep faster, the quality of my sleep increased, I woke up feeling more rested, and I remembered my dreams. So you always dream, like I said, this is just scientifically proven, we always dream. but now I remember my dream. So last night I had a dream about a friend, and like I was with her and her sister, and it's like this whole like dream that I had, and I was just like hanging out with them, and I just remembered that dream when I woke up, and I was like, whoa! Like, and this has been happening. So I just started taking this again, because I don't know why I stopped like ordering from this company. I guess I sort of forgot about them, to be honest. But their products are amazing. Now I'm going to get their Focus and Recall because I want to try their nootropic, because I love nootropics, and I'm like sleep and nootropics are like, that's my lane. Sleep, nootropic, mitochondria, like biohacking. Let's go. Let's get it. So anyways, HealthyCell is amazing. I give this product a 5-star review. And honestly, I would try this product first before you try any other sleep formula, because I like the approach of focusing on like downregulating and turning off the brain. So making sure your brain is calm, downregulating your nervous system, and going through every cycle of your sleep. So going from the top, first cycle, and all 4 cycles all the way to REM sleep. So you fall asleep, while you're sleeping, your body's cool. You get that deep restorative sleep, and then in the last REM cycle, your body has what it needs. So every part of that process, whether your brain waves change, or your breathing changes, or your heart rate changes, or your blood pressure changes, or whatever it may be, your body is getting the nutritional support that it needs in those specific phases, and then your body benefits and you sleep better. So I cannot thank HealthyCell enough. This company is incredible. These products work. I'm so grateful for them. Like I said, I'm going to try their Focus and Recall next. I'll probably try many of their formulas. And also, I have a 20% off link, so I'll put that below. So if you want to get your sleep back and you've had sleep issues, you've been waking up in the middle of the night, you're not falling asleep, whatever it may be, try HealthyCell REM Sleep. I am confident they're going to see an increase in the quality of your sleep. And plus, I love that they taste good. They taste amazing. And I don't like pills. Like, I'm over pills. Even though my product is a pill. So with that being said, I'll link this code up below, this link that will give you 20% off of any of their formulas if you want to try REM Sleep and add anything else to your cart. It works for every formula. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll put those links in that information below. If you have any questions about sleep health or sleep science, feel free to post those below. I'm more than happy to answer those questions for you. Also, I will say the first day I took this, I kid you not, I was like, this is like a warning. I should put there should be a warning label on this product. Because I took this like 2.5 hours before I was going to go to sleep, thinking like, yeah, it'll like help me sleep. And it was the first day I tried it again. And when I tell you I was like really tired, and I was like ready to fall asleep, I was wearing my blue blockers and I was walking in a dark hall, which wasn't smart. It was like a bad combination of factors, like I was feeling the effects of this. I was like tired and I was wearing blue blockers. The hallway was dark. It was a lot of factors going into this equation. So anyways, I'm walking and I literally like walked into a wall, and you could see it still, like mark, like my face. Like I was bleeding from 3 places because I literally walked into a wall. So I recommend taking, this product is so effective, and I'll maybe put that Instagram reel below telling that story because it's kind of funny, but I recommend taking this product within the hour of you going to sleep because it's that effective. Like, this isn't your regular like schmegular like supplement from like Walgreens or CVS or like your local Walmart. Like, this is not that. This is way better, and it works very quickly. So take it within the hour. I would say within like 45 minutes or 30 minutes of when you're going to sleep, because it kicks in quick and you can really just feel the effects and you start to feel tired, like you want to go to sleep. So it does work. Don't operate heavy machinery. Don't take this and go for a joyride at night. Like, take this right before you go to sleep because it does work. Once again, 20% off HealthyCell. I'll link that below in the comment section. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your energy. I do health and wellness reviews here, and I teach health and wellness on Healthy Wild Free on YouTube. Healthy Wild Free is the YouTube channel. So check those out below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.